Day 4 takes us to one of the Missouri's hidden gems, Maramec Spring Park. Crystal clear waters, peaceful waterfalls, and scenic trails make it a nature's lover's paradise. We fed the fish, relaxed by the spring, dipped our feet in icy water, and explored unique fishing zones. From the winding drive into the serene shoreline, this place is pure magic.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Reach out, touch what was once just in your imagination.
Don't miss the rest of the 30-day adventure. Make sure you are subscribed for more amazing spots.